Welcome back to this new week. This coming week, we are going to be covering a weekly analysis that will cover from the 30th of July to the 4th of August, 2023. Before we go on with our weekly analysis, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Always click that button, subscription, and share it to other Forex traders so that they will get clue on what this week market will look like. Don't forget that CJFXGLOBAL is now on Google Play Store. We are on Google Play Store. You can download our app, or you can straightly go to our website and download our app from here. What is CJFXGLOBAL and how does it benefit you, or how will it benefit you as a Forex trader? The original reason why we created CJ Forex is to help you learn how to trade profitably. So we also have other services that we encourage you in terms of earning while you are learning. But before we go on, let me show you what CJ Forex Training Academy looks like. We are into training people, okay, that are beginners. If you are a beginner in the FX market, you have not traded before, CJ Forex is for you. If you're an old trader who have been making series of loss, CJ is for you. If you are an old trader who is making profit but you want to improve more, CJ Forex is for you. Now, if you're a beginner, you can start with basic. If you're intermediate, if you are a lucid trader, you can start with intermediate. If you are also an old trader who have been making profit but you want to improve more, you can start from intermediate and above and start going down. The more you progress, the more you make money, the more you have subscribed for the higher courses. Now, we offer basic down to master's class. If you manage to get to this master's class, you are a guru in this business of FX Global. Now, let us go ahead and talk about other services we offer. We offer cash flow robots. Many of you have been using these robots, and I encourage and I congratulate those of you who have already gotten this robot and be making profit for yourself. If you are interested, you click here when you log into your client dashboard and you go through it. The robots are in different versions, so you pick the one you can afford and then subscribe. The robot will be sent to you, and a guide will be sent to you on how to install it on your system and then start using it. We also have cash flow strategy. For those of you who have been making series of loss and you need a strategy that can make profit for you, cash flow strategy is for you. Many of you who have been using it can testify that cash flow strategy is one of the best. We also have price entry and alert indicator. For those of you who need an indicator that will be giving you alert, be doing the analysis, tell you when to buy, when to sell, where to put your stop loss, and don't to be surprised, many Forex channel uses our price entry and alert indicator to like I was saying, for those of you who need price entry alert indicator, you can continue using it for your own profit making. It does everything for you. It tells you when to buy, where to sell, where to put your stop loss, and all the signal that it provides is 99% accurate. We offer account management for those of you who are maybe your psychology is damaged, or maybe you are scared of placing trade. And we have professionals that are good at managing your account and making good profit, both in synthetics and currency. We also provide signals, which is VPS signal. For those of you who are looking for good signal group that you can be making, we can be sending you good signal every day. That means you are both on currency, crude, or any asset class. You can use our subscribe to our VPS signals to get all that you need, all the signals that you need. Let's go straight to the reason why we are doing this video. Don't forget to click the subscription button and don't forget to enroll into our academy. It is very important if you really want to succeed in this business. Let's go straight. We are going to be starting with FX markets. So before we start, we are going to be starting with DXY. There is an asset called DXY. DXY is dollar index, okay? For those of you who have been in this business, you should know what is called dollar index. Dollar index is the asset we use to measure the strength of dollar against other assets, against other currencies. So if the DSY is falling, it means that dollar is weak. And if it means that, sorry, if DSY is falling, it means that dollar is weak. If it is rising, it means that dollar is strong. So before we go on, let's look at what happened last week. If you look very well, last week was bullish, but it was not rejected by anything. It just got rejected by some few moves. But at this coming week, the dollar index is still going to rise. That means dollar is going to rise. But before it rises, it is going to make a pullback again, okay, before it will start going up. So expect this coming week to be a bullish in the side of dollar. That means dollar will be very strong this coming week. We are about to enter. So look for a buy opportunity. That means dollar is strong. Then when you talk about Euro GBP, it means that British pound is going to be weak this coming week. If you look at what happened last week, it shows that British pounds was rejected by a support. It means that this coming week we are entering, we expect British pounds to go to euro to go up. It will go a little bit up and then pull back like this again before heading up. But the general market overview for the week is going to be a buy on British pounds. So expect a buy opportunity. If you're a student of CJFX, you probably know what will happen. On this one called Euro USD, you know that dollar is going to be strong this week. So we should expect a little bit. If you look at what happened last week, it was rejected. So this coming week, we expect something like this, okay, before it will now generally fall. So expect Euro USD to sell. But at the beginning of the week, the market is going to make a little bit bullish. The same thing, USD card is going to be bullish this coming week, okay? Let's look at what the USD card will look like. It will still go down like this before heading up again. Okay, so expect a buy. But at the beginning of the week, it will be bearish, which is from Monday to Tuesday. It will be bearish then from Wednesday, Thursday. For Thursday, it should be bullish. Okay, so let us look at USD CHF. It's still going to be bullish this coming week. So you look for a buying opportunity, not a sell opportunity. This is what we should look out for, is buy. It will sell a little bit and then move to this distance. So you should know the right place to enter the market. Let's look at Australian USD. Australian USD is still going to sell this coming week. So this is what we look at this week before you should be targeting the first TP, which is this low here. So, but this is my look, okay? So, but here should be your first TP. But at the beginning of the week, it will rise. It might take Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday to even rise to this point. So it might even take only one day to rise to this point. So let us look at GBP-JPY. GBP-JPY is going to sell this coming week. So we expect GBP-JPY to make a bearish move, okay? Although it will start with a little bit bullish and then end up bearish. Okay, so let's look at GBP-CHF. The same thing, sell this week we are entering. So it will first of all rise to this point, okay, before falling down for the week. Okay, maybe between Wednesday, Thursday, it will fall down to this place, okay? So expect US card is also going to make a bearish move this week. So expect a sell opportunity, not a buy opportunity. Okay, so this is what we should be looking at for this coming week, sell opportunity. On crude is going to make a bearish move this coming week, although it's going to be rejected here, okay, before selling down, okay? At least here should be your first TP. Okay, then on gold is going to be weak this coming week, so expect a sell this week. Gold is going to be weak, so but there will be a little bit push up before it will start selling. So expect it to sell down to this. I'm giving you a picture of what the market will look like. Okay, so it is your duty as a student or as a pro taking training for you to know exactly what need to be met before you can look out for a sell opportunity. You don't just jump and start selling or start buying. No, there are certain setup that need to be met before you can look out for a sell or a buy. Let us go straight to synthetic. I will be focusing only on V75. So let's look at what V75 will look at for this, look like this week we are entering. So let's look at what happened last week. So we can use it to determine. Now look at last week. If you look there, there was an indecision here. Last week showed an indecision candle. But do you know where this market is going to? This market is still going to sell. So, but at the beginning of the week, it's going to make a bullish move, a little bit bullish, okay? So we got a bullish move. Sorry, it will be bullish. It will go a little bit up to this point before it will now finally drop down, okay? To drop down to this point. Also, it just within this place. So this is another support. So within this place, so but know that the market overview for synthetic asset is going to be a sell. My name still remains Kujosi, the admin of CJ Forex. This analysis is valid from 30th of July to the 4th of August. After this date mentioned, this analysis will never be valid again. Don't forget to enroll into our academy. It has a long way to go in your trading life. When you gain the knowledge you are supposed to gain, making money in the FX business market will be easier for you. Remember, good message can never make good people. What actually makes good people is when you make the right decision. Thank you once again and have a nice day.